In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Amazon profile more private. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want to have a little more control over what information is visible to others, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So, let's get started and make sure your profile reflects only what you want the world to see. First things first, you need to access your Amazon profile. For this, log into your Amazon account on your desktop. Once you're logged in, navigate to Account and then head over to Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Here, you should find the option labeled Your Amazon Profile, and in some cases, it might be referred to as Your Public Profile. Clicking on this link will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Edit Your Public Profile. This is usually prominently displayed, allowing you to access the profile editor where all the magic happens. When you're in the editor, what you're looking for is a section or tab that says Edit Privacy Settings, or something very similar. It's usually straightforward to find. There, you should see a checkbox for Hide All Activity on your public profile. By checking this box, you essentially take a big step towards ensuring your Amazon interactions are not publicly visible. Don't forget the most important part here. You need to save your changes before you exit, or you'll have to start over. Next, let's talk about your wish lists, which are often more public than many realize. To make your wish lists private, navigate to Your Lists and select Wish List. Within the wish list, you'll notice an option that says Manage List. Click that, and it will allow you to change the privacy setting to private. Just like before, you need to save these settings to ensure they take effect, enhancing the privacy of your online shopping experience. There are also other pieces of information you might want to consider limiting. While you're still in the profile editor, you have the option to remove or clear out personal details such as your bio, social links, location, website, and so on. Additionally, some guides suggest that you can hide specific activities, like certain reviews. You can do this by unchecking options that say Show Reviews to the Public. Finally, let's talk about your browsing history, which is optional but crucial if you want to boost your privacy further. Head over to your browsing history and select Manage History. Here, you can remove all items and toggle off the option that says Turn Browsing History on, off. This will stop Amazon from tracking what you view in your account, giving you a more private browsing experience. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Amazon profile is set to a privacy level you're comfortable with. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this helps you feel more secure with your online presence.